We see these amazing results every day. We love what we do, and so will you. Auckland Steam and Dry use the world's best proprietary truck-mounted carpet cleaning equipment, which does a 7 times better job than most. Our 84 Celsius hot steam kills viruses, allergens, germs, dust mites and mold. We see this every day. Proprietary carpet cleaning, expert on and off-site rug clean, car and furniture upholstery, mattress clean and sanitization, pet urine UV detection, expert pet stained odor removal, carpet repairs and laying, specialist, expert flood restoration and drying, disinfecting sanitization. We love what we do, and so will you. Proudly servicing Auckland Central, North Shore, East, South, West Auckland and the Hibiscus Coast areas since 1987. Our online reviews speak for themselves. Our loyal clients all remember us. They recommend us to their friends and family because we work hard to get your carpets as clean as they can be. We work hard to prove we are head and shoulders above everyone else in Auckland. We promise that you will notice the difference.